class. Wala sa issue. Donji! Halika, sumama ako tayo. Saan tayo mapunta sa? Nasa? Hindi yung mga ganyan. Ito pa, oh. Ayaw mo yan? Ito, oh. Yan, oh. Liit lang. Kasi ikaw, snack lang naman. Dinadala mo. Hindi naman talaga, ano.
Dito pala.
Ay, ito pala may mga clip, eh. Kailangan kasi, ano, si Ate Gia. Ano naman yan sa loob?
Ano yung gonna make it?
Ano nga?
You're gonna make it.
Okay. Can you open it? Can you show what's inside?
Mama, can you help me to make it?
Okay.
Thank you. Wait.
Ay, ang dami. Okay na. Okay na.
And this is purple. You can stick in like this.
Stick.
This is
What did you get? Why?
Because nothing nice.
Okay na.
Tapos pakita ko na sila. Parehas.
For myself.
Grabe ka, Ching. Kaya mo mabusin yan?
Yes.
Not a new world, just a me from above. Quiet promotion,
Ang saya, lucky.
changing the mode.
Lalagyan mo ng picture.
The debt for your calm was an invoice from mine. At night I'm drawn in a new boundary line from this new elevation. The future looks fine. The digital clock says it's 17 past 2.
Ano, hungry ka? Baka maiwan mo yan, no?
The whole city's sleeping, but I'm seeing this through. This old laundromat spins out of him in the blue.
Nabulag!
There's fluorescent lights on my tired, lonely tube. I found an old record in a bin by the door. A thrift store discovery I just couldn't ignore. The sleep showed a woman I'd not seen before. But her eyes held a story. I lived on this floor, quiet and tremble.
Tignan mo. Binili niya yung anak niya.
Wait lang, wait lang.
Wow! Wow!
Ano?
It's your birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Blow na yaya.
And then my screen lights the room with your name in stark white. You're probably spiraling somewhere deep in the night. And you need my calm voice just to make everything right. But the vinyl is whispering about a different kind of fight. A forgotten song about claiming your own share of light. Not a new love, just a me from emotion, a change in the motion. The debt for your calm was an invoice from my